The Apache Helicopter, a masterpiece of military aviation. The Apache Helicopter, often referred to as the guardian of the battlefield, stands as a testament to the zenith of military aviation technology. It possesses an extraordinary blend of firepower, maneuverability, and advanced systems, solidifying its status as one of the world's preeminent attack helicopters. In this video, we embark on a journey to unravel the inner workings of the Apache, understand what makes it special, and appreciate its vital role in modern warfare. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Origins and evolution. The Apache helicopter's storied origins can be traced to a crucial demand within the U.S. Army for a specialized attack helicopter. Its inception arose from the urgent need to field a platform capable of asserting dominance on the contemporary battlefield. This pursuit of military excellence propelled its development. Over time, the Apache family has undergone an extraordinary evolution. Starting with the AH-64A, it has evolved into the latest AH-64E Guardian, with each variant benefiting from significant technological advancements and refinements. These enhancements have fine-tuned its capabilities to near perfection, making the Apache a formidable and enduring asset in the realm of military aviation. Anatomy of the Apache. To comprehend the Apache's excellence, one must first explore its physical attributes, beginning with its structural design. The Apache boasts a robust airframe constructed from composite materials, rendering it capable of withstanding the harshest combat conditions while minimizing its own detectability. At the heart of its performance lie the twin engines that power this formidable machine. These engines not only provide the Apache with exceptional speed, but also enhance its maneuverability, making it a highly agile combat platform. A critical component of the Apache's design is its rotor system. This innovative system contributes to the helicopter's stability and agility, ensuring it can execute precision maneuvers, navigate challenging terrain, and perform effectively in combat situations. The Apache's combat capabilities. When it comes to firepower, the Apache is unrivaled. Its impressive arsenal includes Hellfire missiles, 30mm chain guns, and rocket pods, granting it the ability to engage a wide spectrum of targets on the battlefield. From armored vehicles to infantry positions, the Apache can deliver precise and devastating firepower where it's needed most. However, what truly sets the Apache apart is its advanced avionics suite. At the core of this suite is the longbow radar, a technology that provides the Apache with unparalleled situational awareness. This radar system enables the helicopter to detect and engage multiple targets simultaneously, even in adverse weather conditions. Coupled with sophisticated targeting systems and night vision technology, the Apache is a formidable hunter in both day and night operations. Operational excellence. Operational excellence is the hallmark of Apache helicopter units. Skilled and highly trained crews undergo rigorous training to master the intricacies of this exceptional machine, ensuring peak performance in the most challenging conditions. The synergy between pilot and gunner is critical for mission success, and Apache teams excel in seamless coordination during high-stress operations. Maintenance crews play a pivotal role in sustaining operational readiness, ensuring these helicopters are always prepared for combat. This commitment to excellence, from training to maintenance, ensures that Apaches are always mission-ready, making them a formidable force on the modern battlefield. Versatility in modern warfare. The Apache helicopter's versatility in modern warfare is unmatched. It seamlessly adapts to various combat roles, from providing critical close air support to ground forces, eliminating armored threats, and conducting reconnaissance and surveillance missions. With its ability to swiftly respond to emerging threats, the Apache is equally effective in anti-armor operations, where it excels at countering heavily armored enemy units. Its role extends to airborne command and control, coordinating complex air and ground assets during multifaceted operations. This exceptional versatility makes the Apache an indispensable asset, capable of addressing a wide spectrum of challenges on the ever-evolving and dynamic modern battlefield. The Apache's role in modern warfare. The Apache helicopter plays a pivotal role in modern warfare, earning its reputation as the guardian of the battlefield. Its primary role lies in providing close air support to ground forces, swiftly neutralizing threats and ensuring mission success. In anti-armor operations, it excels at engaging and destroying armored enemy units with precision. Additionally, its reconnaissance and surveillance capabilities make it an invaluable asset for gathering vital intelligence in real time. Beyond this, the Apache can serve as an airborne command and control platform, coordinating air and ground assets in complex operations. Its adaptability and firepower make it an indispensable tool on today's dynamic battlefield. Training and expertise. Training and expertise are the cornerstones of Apache helicopter operations. Apache pilots undergo rigorous and specialized training, mastering the intricacies of flying this complex machine. They learn advanced tactics, night vision operations, and proficiency in utilizing the Apache's advanced avionics. Crew coordination between the pilot and gunner is paramount, and intensive training ensures seamless cooperation during high-pressure combat situations. Maintenance crews are equally essential, ensuring the helicopters remain in peak condition. Their expertise in servicing and repairing the Apache guarantees operational readiness. The synergy between well-trained pilots, skilled gunners, and dedicated maintenance personnel culminates in a formidable team, ready to execute missions with precision and confidence. Global reach and impact. The Apache helicopter's impact transcends borders, making it a globally recognized force. It serves in numerous armed forces worldwide, shaping military strategies and operations in various conflicts. Its presence has been felt in diverse terrains, from the deserts of the Middle East to the rugged mountains of Afghanistan and the dense jungles of Southeast Asia. The Apache's versatile capabilities have left an indelible mark on international defense and security, underscoring its role as a trusted guardian of peace and a symbol of military might. Its global reach and impact are a testament to its adaptability and effectiveness in diverse theaters of operation. Ongoing upgrades. The Apache's legacy is built on continuous improvement. Ongoing upgrades addressed various aspects, including avionics, weapon systems, and survivability measures. These enhancements ensure that existing Apaches remain relevant and effective. Emerging technologies. Emerging technologies are reshaping the Apache helicopter's capabilities. Artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous systems promise to revolutionize target acquisition, threat assessment, and mission planning, enhancing Apache's operational efficiency. Additionally, advancements in sensor technologies and data analytics provide real-time situational awareness, enabling quicker, more informed decisions in complex battlefield scenarios. As the aviation industry continues to innovate, the Apache helicopter will harness these technologies to maintain its edge, ensuring it remains a formidable force in modern warfare. These emerging technologies represent a new frontier in military aviation, poised to elevate the Apache's performance to even greater heights. Future developments. Future developments in Apache helicopter technology are poised to elevate its capabilities even further. Ongoing upgrades will enhance avionics, weaponry, and survivability measures, ensuring that existing Apaches remain effective in modern warfare. Moreover, integration of cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and autonomous systems will streamline target identification and mission planning, reducing crew workload and response times. The Apache's adaptability will be further emphasized with modular configurations for swift role changes. Additionally, a focus on environmental sustainability will lead to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. In this ever-evolving landscape, the Apache remains committed to staying at the forefront of military aviation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Apache helicopter is a masterpiece of military aviation, embodying the culmination of decades of innovation and expertise. Its origins in response to military requirements have evolved into a machine that excels in combat, boasts unmatched firepower, and operates with unparalleled situational awareness. As a guardian of the battlefield, the Apache has not only rewritten the rules of modern warfare, but also cemented its place as a symbol of military excellence and technological prowess. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.